Alright, I guess we're moving out. We're moving out because our truck is acting up. Oh, there's a nice one. So that's what they have. I want to see. I want to
quick, see what
make an expansion. Well, well, I think I can just sweep it. Just so. Wow, this is actually all right. This is actually not bad. Other than the floor, I can just sweep it. All right, so guys, yeah, we are using a different truck because our truck, it's a brand new truck, it's acting up. So I guess this one is not too bad, right guys? I know I can be picky with the floor, but that's something I can clean, you know. We're gonna go. So this is between that.
That ain't bad. It needs swept up. It's a little stinky.
Ew. This is a little truck. Oh, this one is a little stinky. It is a nice tablet. Oh, this is not bad. It's nice. Oh wow. Wow, this is like for short people.
Yeah, you remember how little it was?
Oh, my hand is spraying now. Ooh, this is actually nice also. This feels cozy. I think this looks like my hand is all dry. Oh no, my hand is, I think my hand likes this. I guess we're taking this. So I can just vacuum the floor. It's not bad. Yeehaw! So I'm excited to have a different truck. Now we're gonna take everything out from our truck. Looks like it. That one is not bad too. So the tire's not bad. Oh yeah, you check the outside, right, honey? I think that one, it feels cozy.
Fine.
Yeah, that one. Yeah. This is our truck. It's not the nicest one of all, but this is how our truck looks like. With my bed and stuff. So we never use the top bank yet because it's brand new. But the SCR system full is acting up, so we're gonna move. So it's my little carpeting. So yeah, we're going out from this truck. I think for the day. That's it, guys. This is our bed. We're just gonna bring the most important thing of all. That's it, guys. We're moving out from this truck just today. This is higher. This is a higher ceiling. You know, that one white truck, it's a Peterbilt. It has a, oh, I store my plastic bag right there. So this is a higher ceiling than the other one. I don't know. I don't know if this is this is Peterbilt 574. I don't know, something like that. But yeah. Oh, my boots, dirty boots. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's it. So we're gonna move. I'm just gonna take our bed sheets and a little carpet, I think. That's it, and then my computer. See ya. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.